Hello my friend, welcome to Rosie Tasty Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make this lovely jollof rice, and these are the ingredients. I'm using long grain rice, and I'm using already prepared tomato and red bell pepper paste. I have prepared fried to taste. I've had some other ingredients like onions, ginger blend, ginger powder, and paprika powder, and I've had some salt and maggi on this tomato paste. I will add the video on how I prepare this tomato paste under this video so you can watch and see how I prepare it. It's normally very helpful for a busy lifestyle. I recommend it to everybody. And I'm going to start preparing my ingredients, cutting the onions. And trust me, you have to pre-boil the rice for a few minutes, and refilter the water. You don't want it very starchy. Wash the first starch out so that it won't make your rice to be too sticky. So I will cut my onions. Then I'll add I'll fry a meat with this oil already. So that's the same meat I'm going to use. The same oil I'm going to use in cooking my rice. The oil I use in frying my meat. So I'll pre-boil the oil to make it hot while I cut my onions. It's a very easy and straightforward way you can make your jollof rice for party or for get together in your own home. I'm going to start by adding my onions. I'm going to add the other one later. I'll fry for a very short time. And I'm using this tiny tomato paste. So you have to fry your tomato paste, turn it and make sure that it's fried and it's not sticking together. Watch, I have shown how I make sure that it's well scattered. You can see, well scattered into the oil, well fried so that it will stop the slapping. You don't want your tomato slapping on your lid. So this time I already prepared tomato paste and the red bell pepper put together. It's already been fried, so I just dish it and use it for my jollof rice. Does this help me a lot because I always use it when I'm busy. I can just come and quickly use my tomato paste that I've already prepared down to make any food of my choice. I'll leave it to fry for a short time. I'll add the maggi, 1 cube maggi. Add a bit of salt. Please don't make your food too salty. It's not good for our health. Then I'm going to put already pre-boiled long grain rice. Trust me, it's still very hard. I didn't boil it to get soft. Just wash it and boil it and pour the first water out. So I will now stir it, mix everything together. Please don't put your water more fuller than, just make it the same level with the rice. Put your water the same level with your rice. Yes, let the water be the same level so your rice is not too soft. So leave it to boil for a while, and that is it. Look at that. very easy to make and straightforward recipe. And I'm serving this with a goat meat I've already fried. It is yummy. Look at that. Beautiful, well cooked, not too soft jollof rice. And this is how I serve it to my family. Thank you so much for watching. And I will recommend you try this jollof rice recipe. It's going to make you feel really happy because it's very simple and straightforward to follow. And I have other recipe of jollof rice as well, with coconut rice, jollof rice, and I've got white rice with vegetable stew. I recommend you watch some of the video. Thank you very much.